Let's call it probably the best bang for the buck, clip-on earphones that not only are very comfortable to use, but also provide extremely nice sound quality as well. So over here I have the newest Clip1 model over here, and thanks SoundPeats for actually sending this over to check it out. So you see we also get absolutely massive 12mm driver on these, also extremely nice battery life as well. And you see you can also get them in multiple different colors. Yeah, battery life also on these is really top class. So I have already used them for a while, and generally, yeah, actually I'm very impressed in these. So I try to repackage everything back as best I could essentially. So first, yeah, we actually also get very nice case over here. So SoundPeats branded with LED indicator light on the top and Type-C charging. So here we have basically the pairing button, also reset button. Also inside the box we get a bunch of paperwork here as well. Okay, your manuals, and also even a bunch of cool stickers here as well. And also inside the box you will get your charging cable here as well. So it simply uses regular Type-C cable, so you can use also pretty much any cable with these. And inside the case we get our earbuds. So when you get them, make sure to obviously remove these stickers here. So the shipping stickers. And these weigh only 5 grams each. So you can't even really feel that you have them on when you actually insert. So this is essentially where the speaker is. So if we zoom in, so you can see, and this is where we have the battery. And these are also touch controlled, so you can touch them over here, also I think on the stem, also even here as well, to control basically the playback and stuff like that. So when it comes to quality, these actually appear very nice indeed. So also very nice soft touch feel on them. So yeah, actually looks very premium indeed. And here we have the connecting pins when we insert them inside the case. So see, you also have very nice SoundPeats logo here on them. And this is what they look like when you insert them inside your ears. And really inserting them inside also is meg fast. So for example, as you see, literally clip it on and job done really. See, literally maybe half second. And yeah, when it comes to comfort, these definitely are meg comfortable, and when you actually wear them, you really can't even feel that you have something basically clipped over here. So essentially after even maybe like a minute, you completely even forget that you have them inside. And as you are actually walking around, so maybe doing something, you can actually still experience everything around you with these earphones, since they obviously do not go actually completely inside your ear. So obviously with other earphones of other type, yeah, you obviously aren't as present basically when you wear them, but with these really, so yeah, absolutely awesome I think. When it comes to features, also performance and how these actually sound like. So first, when it comes to sound quality, these actually for the price sound absolutely amazing in my opinion. So I have also tested a bunch of other of similar type headphones, and in my opinion at this price really these probably are the best I have actually heard. So yep, even though they actually do not fully go into your ear canal, the sound they can produce actually is very good. And also these have been especially optimized for a bass as well. So again, if you like basically listening to more low ends essentially, so these are especially optimized for that as well. But yeah, as a total sound profile really for this price, these are pretty much unbeatable. Also, yeah, when it comes to features, also you can get a very decent app on them as well. So when you get this app, you can also enable the Dolby Audio here as well. And also what I absolutely love about these, we can even disable the touch control. So personally, actually do not like touch controls on earphones, as usually when you touch them accidentally, you like stop basically music pause and stuff like that, but as you see, you can easily disable this stuff if you do not want that. And also we have this game mode as well, so essentially ultra low latency as well. So again, if you do not want any delay, this also has that feature essentially. And also we can enable DAC as well here. So again, obviously it will consume probably a bit more battery, but yeah, if you want the best sound quality, we can also obviously get them. And also we can even tune them just as you want really as well through this app here. So by default they have this adaptive EQ essentially, so they will actually like try to match up basically the stuff you're actually like listening to. But as you see, you can also like do your own EQ on them as well and get them to sound pretty much however you really want. And also you see you have like a bunch of profiles here as well. So if you do not know what basically these are, really simply pick basically from one of the profiles to match the music essentially you are trying to listen to. Also, let's quickly go over the spec sheet and also the features of these, because these are probably the most feature-packed and most advanced earphones I have actually ever used. So when it comes to tech inside these are absolutely insane, I would say. So again, first when it comes to drivers, 12mm drivers, that again are especially optimized for basically low ends essentially. Again, we can fully customize basically just as you want really, and also we have a decent wind noise reduction as well. So again, when you're actually using this outdoors, again, both the microphone and also the sound quality really is top notch, so even in wind as well. Battery life as well, like 8 hours basically when you actually take them out, but with the case literally 40 hours. So that's actually very impressive. Again, really best in the class you can get. So also they have quick charging as well, so 10 minutes of charging can give you like 2 hours of playback. Also what's absolutely awesome about this is they actually like can auto switch basically the sides of them, so you do not actually have to faff around basically and figure out which is right and left essentially. So when you actually place them inside the case, so they kind of automatically reset. So this will be the right side and the left side essentially. So when you take them out, so again you can insert this in the right ear and this in the left ear. But again, so next time, so this can also become the right side essentially. So again, it doesn't really matter. So again, simply place them inside the case, and as you actually take them out, again, you don't really have to actually look which is right, which is left. The automatically like switch over basically left and right. So again, one of my favorite features on these as well. Also on these we get real decent noise cancellation for calls as well, and they can also detect if you are actually wearing them, so to save battery as well. So yeah, when it comes to battery life, also after using these now for a while, yeah, battery life again really probably the best I have seen. So yeah, when it comes to the features, you can also see this in their own website, but yeah, really probably the most advanced earphones I have actually ever used. And next, let's check out the microphone quality on these as well. So currently I have them inside in my ear, so you can see for yourself what they sound like. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog, while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. Also, let me try to actually take them out. So again, I have currently out, and I may be speaking like 10 or 15 centimeters away from them. And again, you can hear what they actually sound like when you do not have them inside your ears. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog, while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. And now I'm back on my normal microphone. By the way, I'm using like a $400 dedicated microphone to actually make these videos, so the sound quality obviously is not comparable. But for earphones, especially for calls, I think the sound quality is actually still very decent, so not much complaints there. Of course, yeah, if you compare basically these to maybe like much more expensive earphones, maybe microphone on some and indeed is actually better, but I probably can't complain much, especially considering the sound quality. Yeah, it's absolutely superb on these. And overall, is the new Clip1 actually worth it, and should you maybe get these earphones? Well, yeah, for this price, these pretty much are unbeatable. Not only the sound quality is absolutely awesome, so again, you can also fine-tune them just as you really want. Also, the volume is extremely good as well, so even if you like listening to music very loudly, again, these can absolutely deliver. So the driver size, so again, we get really decent 12mm magnetic drivers in these. So again, the sound quality, volume, clarity, what you get from these, in my opinion, is absolutely top notch as well. So again, one of the best basically I have actually seen. probably actually the best of this type. And when it comes to comfort, again, these are probably one of the best you can currently get. When you actually insert them, you can't really even feel that you have them on, so they're actually that comfortable. Again, literally only 5 grams as well for this whole earphone of this size. That's absolutely insane. And yeah, also the best part is really they actually do not go fully into your ear, so you can actually still feel everything around you, hear everything around you. Also when you're walking again, so you do not actually have this kind of stuffed feeling with normal earphones. So basically when you actually wear normal earphones that go into your ear when you're walking around, so again you simply do not get basically the experience of your surrounds essentially. So again, maybe if you're walking on street with these, so again you can clearly hear everything around you, and again you do not actually lose your sense of hearing when you actually use these. So that is probably the best advantage of these, and again they sound actually very natural as well. So for the price, all the features we actually get on these, also excellent battery life, these really are totally unbeatable. Okay, good luck.